When I was younger, I used to see girls come to school and their bun was like so big, and I used to do my bun, and literally when I did my bun, it would be like this small on my head. I'm not even joking, I'm not exaggerating, it used to be this small. And then I would see like these girls come to school and they have much shorter hair than I did, but their buns are always bigger than mine, and I was like, how do they do this? Like, what do they do to make their hair look so much more longer than mine? And then so I figured it out. It's a whole technique and trick. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video I'm going to show you all a little illusionary trick that will help make your bun look much more bigger. I swear it's the simplest things ever to do this. You know, sometimes we want to get our buns really big. It's so funny because in like Ontario, in Toronto, we call this type of bun a catty bun, and catty in Canada means something way different than catty in Jamaica. If you're interested in seeing how you can make your bun appear much more bigger, stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe because I do a lot more videos similar to this. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at Annesha.islands, because when I'm not here uploading on YouTube, I'm over on Instagram, always updating in real time. So you can stay connected with me over on Instagram as well. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is comb out your hair the best that you can. I am not the best at combing out my hair. Make sure your ends are combed down. Make sure it's combed out from root to tip. We're going to be putting our hair high, so the only way we could achieve that is with our hair fully combed out and everything stretched to its length. And then you're going to want to oil your hair. I haven't oiled my hair in days though. Like, I put in a little bit of oil that I can right now. And if you want to go ahead and blow dry your hair, go ahead and blow dry your hair. I don't blow dry my hair. Don't put heat to my hair because it's just not my style, and I'd rather keep my hair natural. After combing out your hair, you're going to want to go in with your brush. You're just going to brush up your hair all the way around. My hair is so thick, it's a lot to deal with. You want to put your hair as high as you can. And you want to go in with your hair tie, your headband. Majority of the time, I usually do my hair with headbands because my hair is so thick. And the only thing that can hold my hair are headbands. So try and do this. Or hair ties that can stretch a lot, because like this hair tie that I have right now, it stretches. Okay, we're going to want to go in with, I guess, gel. I don't feel like putting gel in my hair today. Not all the time I feel like putting in gel, and that's okay, but gel just gives a more sleeker look. It doesn't look as, a lot of flyaways are not present, but for me, not today. Okay, sorry, I just turned down the brightness because I thought I was way too bright. Okay, so now I just wet my brush a little bit. I'm okay, like not all the time do I want to put gel in my hair. Not all the time I want to put chemicals in my hair, let's be real. I like having my hair in its natural state, and I like working with my hair in the natural state. The thing with me, I've said this in many hair videos, when I put gel or any type of chemical in my hair, I feel like I have to wash it out the same day or the day after. There's a reason behind why I think like this, but I'm just not going to explain in this video, maybe another video. Like, it bothers me until I wash my hair, so I have to wash my hair out. For me to avoid having to always wash my hair every time I put products in, I just go natural and not have any product. The only product I would put in my hair is hair oil. So I have a whole entire video how to do a sleek high bun without any gel. I only use hair oil and it looks so good. So I'm gonna recommend you all watch that if you're someone who doesn't really like putting chemicals in your hair. After doing that, you want to emphasize making the top of your bun bigger. Okay, what you are going to want are bobby pins, but I don't have bobby pins. I'm just gonna use my hair tie that I have right here. So what you want to do is just fluff out the top of your hair, like how I'm doing right now, and you're going to want to just tuck in the ends of your hair into your bun. When you only tuck in the ends and you tuck in like some of the ends of your hair, it's going to give a big effect. Now this works way better if you have bobby pins, because you can just fold in the ends and then bobby pin them all around here. But if you're like me, my bobby pins go missing and you don't know where they are, then you have to make shift. So you're just gonna want to frame your bun. Okay, you're like, okay, I want it this big. So after doing that, you're going to just get a few strands of your hair, not all of it, because with my hair, it can like stand up without anything in it. So it's kind of like that. It fights gravity. And you're just gonna tuck the ends, only like a few strands of your longer ends. Just tuck it in, only the ends. That's the whole trick of all about this. You tuck in only the ends, and then you frame the top of your bun. Now this looks like I have a lot of hair, and I really don't have this much hair. My hair is super short compared to when it was in the past. But literally, this is how it looks. So yeah, we're basically finished. So that's really how it works. The trick is to tuck in the ends of your hair into the bun, or you get bobby pins and you just secure the ends of your bobby pins onto the top of your head with the bobby pins. It's going to give that illusion that your bun is much more bigger. You have much more fuller, thicker, bigger hair. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all really found this helpful. It's a quick and simple tutorial that literally is just one little trick that gives illusion that your bun is much more bigger. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.